Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square POS with marketing campaigns for local growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Square POS with marketing campaigns for local growth, start by setting up your Square account. Visit the Square website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the marketing section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will find various marketing tools available for your use. Choose the Create Campaign option to begin building your marketing strategy. Select the type of campaign you want to create, such as email or social media promotions. Craft a compelling message that resonates with your local audience. Incorporate special offers or discounts to attract new customers. Utilize vibrant images and clear calls to action to enhance engagement. Set your campaign goals, such as increasing foot traffic or boosting online sales. Identify your target audience by specifying demographics and interests. Schedule your campaign launch date and time for optimal visibility. After configuring your campaign, review all details to ensure accuracy. Click on Launch Campaign to activate it. Monitor the campaign's performance through the dashboard insights. Track metrics such as opening rates and customer engagement levels. Make adjustments to your campaign based on real-time feedback. Consider running retargeting ads for those who showed interest but didn't convert. Engage with your local community by promoting events or partnerships. Utilize Square's customer directory to manage your audience effectively. Encourage customer reviews and share them in your marketing material. Consider seasonal campaigns to align with holidays and local events. Continuously refine your approach based on performance analytics. Utilize customer feedback to improve future campaigns. Establish a routine for regularly updating your marketing strategy. This will help maintain engagement and foster local growth. By implementing these steps, you can effectively activate Square POS with successful marketing campaigns tailored to your local market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.